Hey guys, welcome back to the EmNGee channel. My name is Monday, and today in this video I'm going to be making a vegan soup. So we're just gonna get started. Just don't forget to like the video if you like it, subscribe to the channel, road to 1,000 subscribers y'all, and put your post notifications on because we don't have a schedule, so at least you'll get notified when we post. Anywho, so I'm just gonna start here by chopping up some carrots. I think I used 2 carrots, and I just chopped those up, and I'm going to use a whole cauliflower here. So I'm just chopping it up and just taking the florets and just making them into small pieces. Nothing crazy because we're just going to roast these, and then we're just going to take those roasted cauliflower and put it in the blender. Next, we're just going to take a whole white onion and just roughly chop it, nothing fancy. Put it in there, put it in the bowl. And right here, we're just going to start seasoning the vegetables. So we're just going to take some grapeseed oil, mix that on up. Then we're just going to have some nutritional yeast. Let me tell you guys something. This nutritional yeast is like the staple to this recipe, because honestly, I was trying to make this more like a vegan cheddar broccoli soup, but it really didn't end up like that. So that's why I didn't really put that in the title. But that's what I was really trying to go for. But yeah, anywho, also I use black pepper, oregano, and things like that. Video coming soon on how I make that pepper. It's alkaline, so stay tuned for that. Put some garlic, put some turmeric. The turmeric, honestly, I did put that in there to try to make the color a little like, you know, cheddar broccoli-ish. So yeah. So yeah, just gonna put some random seasonings in it. You don't have to put these seasonings if you don't want, but if you want, go ahead. And I've said in other videos too, I don't usually measure, so I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Then you're just going to spray your pan. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Use parchment paper if you want. I just didn't feel like using parchment paper. I put the vegetables in the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm pretty sure I left it in there for about 25-30 minutes or so. Throughout, maybe like every 15 minutes, I opened it and just kind of turned it around. So after they are nice and roasted, I'm just going to take the roasted vegetables and put them in the blender. But I decided not to use any cream or anything, any dairy. So I'm actually just taking this veggie base and just making broth. If you want to use store-bought broth, use store-bought broth, but I'm just using this. Oh, side note, also, I ended up using more broth because even after I put all the 3 cups of broth in there, it was still so thick. So what I ended up doing off of camera, I ended up taking the puree that I had, taking that puree because it was still really thick. I took half of it, I put it out, I poured half of it out in a bowl. The half that I actually had in the the half that I actually had in the blender, I put another cup of broth in it. Then I blended that up, put it in the pot. Then I ended up taking the other half, blending it up with another cup of broth, and then adding that to it. That's why you see it like that. So here we're just going to use, I only had that much of fresh broccoli in the fridge, so I just want to use it. Hence I'm trying to do broccoli cheddar, but it didn't really ended up like broccoli cheddar, but whatever. So I only use like a little bit of a head of broccoli, and then I just thaw out the frozen broccoli. Then I realized, so after I blended everything up and put everything in the bowl, everything in the pot, I ended up realizing that I still needed some more seasoning, so I just went in with more seasonings. Like I said before, use your own or use these. So my mistake was getting mozzarella cheese. I wanted to try to make this more like broccoli cheddar, so I don't know why I didn't get cheddar cheese, to be honest with you. But this is actually my first time actually buying vegan cheese, and it wasn't too bad. And Joel didn't even notice that it was even vegan cheese. So yep, there you go. This is how it looks like. It was actually really, really good. And what I ended up doing, I ended up taking more nutritional yeast and putting it on top. The fall season's coming up. It's soup season. It really is. Yeah, so I hope that you guys like the video. Let us know in the comments down below if you try it, if you like it, if you tried it, or have like a similar recipe or whatever. Let us know down below. Let's talk about it. Anywho, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn that post notification bell on so you know exactly when we're posting our videos. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.